Greetings from WBCS Neo. Today I'm going to do a review about the Ruyilam, I hope I pronounced that right, solar lights for outdoor use in the garden and stuff. Obviously solar powered, and also, which is also a plus, a waterproof solar light system. It's IP65 I believe. Let's have a look. Yep, IP65 waterproof rating, which is good. So we're going to do a review on these today. I've just received them today, so I haven't unfortunately got a video of them in the garden yet because I haven't put them anywhere. But I will. I've got one unpacked. So I'll show you where I got it from and where you can pick them up and stuff like that. So this is the web page here. As you can see, this is a 4-pack. I was quite fortunate when I ordered this 4-pack. I qualified for a freebie, so I got an extra one free as part of the package. So I got 5 for the price of 4. Bonus. Okay, so we shall show you these. That's what they look like. Obviously, this is the wall-mounted version. You can, however, obviously you've got an extra stalk. This extra bit here is used for when it's put in the ground, so you can have it higher above the thing, just in case you get flooding and stuff like that. I know it's waterproof, but you know, if you submerge some things in water, they don't always last forever. So that's just in case of flooding, I would imagine, or just for, you know, display purposes to get them a little bit higher. So that's what you get for each one. So you get an angle adapter and the wall mount. Okay, you've got obviously the actual main bulb unit. You've got a grass mount there for putting in the actual garden. Not advisable if you have AstroTurf like me, so I would never use them. And then you see you've got the 25cm extension on it as well, so you can have it ground mounted quite high up. Nice big solar panel, which I'll show you in a minute. It's a really nice looking bulb. The usual sort of pictures for them, showing what they can look like. You know what these pictures are like anyway, so you know, long exposures and stuff to make them look nice and bright. I will probably do an after review and get a video of them actually in the garden once I get them all set up. I've got a perfect place for them. So we're going to go back to the actual main thing, and we're going to pull one out. So I've got on my desk left over, so I didn't mean to have them on the desk, but hey, these are the sticker mounts. So you stick this onto the wall, and there are your 3 points where you drill in, okay, and then you mount your bracket on. Basically what it is, that's just a sticker so you can know where you put your holes, so you're not messing around trying to work out calculations and measurements and stuff like that. Set of screws and obviously wall plugs, which is always handy. You've got the instruction manual. So this is what you get per device. So there's your wall bracket stroke lamp mount. Okay, we have got the angle bracket, which is nice. I've tried putting these together. I don't want to do it again because when you put them together, they are hard to get apart. So they are not going to move when you put them together. They're really, really well fitting. You've got the ground spike. Okay, that's what this post was going to. Okay, and then your lamp will go on top. So you've got to use this for that. Okay, because that basically lifts it above the ground and keeps it clear of any. I know it's waterproof, but it keeps it clear of any flooding basically. Okay. And finally, the actual bulb itself, the LED system. As you can see there, I'm going to just go put on there. This is the solar panel, which is nice big solar panel on this. It's quite a big one, and it's so nice made. A lot of them are just look like they've got really horrible solar panels on them and stuff like that. As you can see, it's quite a nice build. It's quite a nice size. You can see it on the other video next to me. It's nearly the same size as my head. That's crazy, isn't it? It's got a nice big button here. You've seen the size of this button. It's all waterproof. It's completely rubber immersed, so there's no water going to get in the button unless you split it or something like that. It's an on-off. It's just a fire simulation. So that's on, that's off. Okay. Obviously, it's not going on because it's not dark enough. But if I put my hand over here, boof, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to keep my hand on. So in the side vents, you get a good shot of the LED thing. but through there you get this nice pattern. Okay, and I love them. I think they're awesome. So I hope that's come up on the camera quite nicely. Yeah? On both cameras it looks quite nice. You can see the difference. It looks really good actually. So there you go. Obviously, like I say, solar power self on and off. As you can see, as soon as it gets dark enough, I'm not quite getting on the solar panel there and it's coming on. So they are quite light sensitive. They are going to look really pretty. The build of it is really good. It doesn't feel like it's going to break. It feels very, very strong. So yeah, it's going to get well. The weather's not going to affect it at all. It's going to be fantastic. So I'm looking forward to setting these up in the garden because I've got to get a couple of pictures and stuff for the review. So let me know how you think. If you've already got these before, let me know how you got on with them. Well, it's a beautiful bit of kit. So I'm going to turn the button off now because it'll go dark and it'll not be outside and it'll go flat for tomorrow when I could hopefully set them up tomorrow. So there you go, this is it. What do I think of them so far? The build quality and everything's mint. The tightness of the post is unreal. As soon as I'm not even halfway up and it's already gripping it to the point where if I put it on I'm going to find it difficult to pull it apart again, so I'm not going to do it until I set them up. I will, like I say, I'll put a post review probably after I've set them up and got some footage to put on YouTube. But I am looking forward to seeing these in the garden at night time. Like, if it wasn't for the fact that it's a little bit miserable today and I can't be bothered with the rain, I'll probably get them set up and get a review done later on tonight. Okie dokie. So that's them. Would I recommend them? Yeah, I think they're brilliant for the price. And like I say, I got 4 and an additional one free just by a lucky offer. So I've got 5 of these things. And I'm looking forward to putting them in the garden. Okie dokie. So that's it really. Highly recommend them. I've bought a few things from these companies who I am testing for, and all the lights have been fantastic so far. I had a problem with them. I don't really have a bad comment about this really, other than possibly it would have been nice for example, for this adaptation as a wall mount, instead of just being on there, to possibly have the extender, if you get what I mean with this, to make like a high mounted. Would that put too much stress on the mount? Probably not, but it would be nice to have like an adaptation that could have fitted in there to extend it. Other than that, great great bit of kit. I can't wait to mess about and get this set up. So there you go. So enjoy until the next time.